It is my first experience with a vegan, cruelty-free, organic spa. In this video, I'm taking you to my first organic vegan spa. Let's go! Barcelona, you get to see everything in one place. Welcome to the luxury side of Barcelona. In this video, I will show you one of its most incredible luxury spas. I'm sitting in Sir Victor Hotel in the Spa by Signature, which is one of the most beautiful spas, and I chose it for two reasons. Number one, it is my first experience with a vegan, cruelty-free, organic spa, so none of the products they have any animal origins. Completely cruelty-free, which is an absolutely amazing concept, and I'm really happy with that. The second thing is that it's quite a beautiful spa in the sense that they bring all the nature out into the space, and it is incredible for that reason. It's not easy to achieve in a busy, bustling city like Barcelona. So let's start this tour. I'll show you around. By the way, you do need to book your session in advance because they are quite a busy spa. And yes, you might not be able to get in if you just call in or walk in last minute. So let's start. My spa journey started at Sir Victor Hotel on a cloudy day in Barcelona. It is a beautiful 5-star hotel with really quirky exterior. Might as well because you're so close to Gaudi's creations. I really love the aesthetics of this hotel. The moment I got in, the lobby is really exquisite and plush. There's a very chic restaurant and a bar right next to the lobby with an immaculate display. I really like how different corners of the lobby have different settings and it changes the mood completely. As beautiful as the hotel lobby is, I'm not here for this. Let's get to the spa now.
Hello, welcome to the Spa by Signature in Sir Victor Hotel. Your session is ready. All the products that we use here are 100% vegan and organic and cruelty-free because we believe in sustainability to have a positive experience.
It is time to start the journey of relaxation and rejuvenation. I'm heading to the changing room. It's quite simple, but there's everything you need. I have changed and I'm ready for my massage. I took a quick shower, which I always recommend because you want to relax, and you also want to get away with any unwanted body odor because you want your masseurs to feel comfortable as well. So let's go. The aesthetic of the entire spa is dark, which pairs perfectly with the lush greenery from outside. It just creates this amazing tension that brings the outside inside. It is time for massage. I chose a medium to soft massage because I just wanted to relax, and I chose lavender oil because that's my favorite, and whenever I get a chance, I always pick that. It lasted about 60 minutes and I was in heaven the whole time. I've had my massage, which was quite incredible, but the reason I loved it so much was the curation of the entire experience was absolutely flawless, and I've never seen that before. So what I mean by that is my masseuse used hot towels throughout, so she placed a hot towel where she would want to get to next, and once she was done with the area, she would place a hot towel, but just enough so it relaxes and slowly cools down. I've never seen that before, and that was the perfect experience. The second reason I really loved is the aroma of the entire room. So my massage oil completely matched with the aroma that I was getting, wafting through the whole time. My head was down, and I loved that everything matched so absolutely perfectly. I'm gonna chill here for a bit, and then I'm getting to the water circuit, which is quite nice. So they have a really nice hammam area where they have the steam room with the eucalyptus eucalyptus vapor. I've never been able to pronounce this properly. And they have a really nice big jacuzzi. This is the area where you relax with a beautiful, beautiful greenery right next to you. And they have a cold pool. They also have a nice steam room, a nice sauna and some beautiful showers. And then I have another surprise for you. So let me get done with all of this and then I'll take you. A nice shower to start the water circuit. I had been quite busy recently and all that took its toll on my muscles. I was quite stiff, so the massage loosened it up and then it was time to do some more work on it by heading to the sauna. So sat there for a bit, then relaxed a bit in the jacuzzi and then headed over to that great steam room. I'm usually not a big fan of steam rooms and hammams because I feel them really overpowering, but this one was really nice, especially because of eucalyptus. If you want to see more amazing luxury spas like these, don't forget to hit that subscribe button. I sat down after the water circuit to cool down a little bit and ended up taking a nice nap. You know, those unplanned, amazing naps that wake you up really refreshed. And that's the day I realized why they love siestas so much in Spain. I felt so great. I ended up doing a 20 minutes nice meditation session, but don't worry, I haven't forgotten about your surprise. Let's go check it out while I'll do the meditation here. Here's a surprise that I promised you. They have a really beautiful rooftop bar from where you can see Gaudi palaces as well as Sagrada Familia, and it comes with a rooftop pool. It doesn't get better than that, right? It's Barcelona. You get to see everything in one place, and they do some really mean cocktails, so don't forget to check it out. I'm waiting for my friends, and then we're gonna get a couple more drinks and head out into the town. I really hope you enjoyed the experience with me. Don't forget to write me. Let me know in comments what you think, and I will see you in a beautiful spa in another beautiful city somewhere. See you later. This is Brown Boy Travels, and let me know what you think of the video. Do hit the like button and subscribe, and if you have any suggestions for your own countries so I can visit, do let me know as well. You can also check me on Instagram and TikTok. I will see you in the next video.